that growth doesn't happen on its own. It takes care, time, and consistent commitment. Your customer relationships are no different. Customer Hub, now included in QuickBooks, helps you strengthen existing customer relationships and build new ones, transforming every touchpoint into a potential opportunity for long-term growth. Automate the collection of customer feedback and testimonials to improve your business with a customizable satisfaction survey. Just look at all that feedback. You can also turn those great customer experiences into new business and encourage customer referrals. Track new leads and existing customer opportunities, all in one place, so you can view their status in real time. And meet your new customer agent, ready to streamline your workflow and lighten your load. Our Gmail integration lets your customer agent automatically pull leads from your email, marking them as hot or warm, and providing a handy summary. From there, you can send a response. Oh, don't worry, your customer agent already drafted one for you. You can review, personalize, and send. You can host a video call in the Customer Hub too. Simply send a link to your customer that allows them to book time on your calendar and talk it through. When your customer is ready for the next step, you can create a contract right in the Customer Hub. Upload, store, and send contracts for e-signature. You'll get notified when they're signed. Congratulations, another big win. And new jobs mean more to-dos. Track and prioritize your workload with tasks and notes. You can assign new tasks to your team and sort them by due date, lead, or customer. All notes are stored chronologically, so you never miss a beat, helping you stay on top of each lead or customer's needs and keep it personal for a next-level experience. Existing customers create the foundation. New ones help you grow. Customer Hub has everything you need to organize, track, view, and follow up with your customers and leads all in one place, helping your customer relationships and your business thrive.